Hello YouTube. Today, let's install unofficial CrDroid on our Android One device. As you guys can see, I am using a Canvas A1 here. So, first of all, download the two zip files that I'm going to show you now. That is unofficial CrDroid 5.1.1.zip file as well as the GApps file from the link in the description below. Copy these two files to the root of your SD card and then reboot to your recovery. Hello guys, after rebooting to the recovery, make sure to take a backup of your current ROM. You can backup your current ROM from backup and restore and clicking on backup to external SD card. After taking a backup, go to wipe and format options. Select factory reset and select yes, wipe all user data. This will take some time. Wait for the formatting to complete. After factory reset, wipe cache. After wiping the cache, just select wipe Dalvik or Art cache. After wiping the cache, just go to install zip, choose zip from external SD card and locate the zip file, that is unofficial CrDroid 5.1.1.zip file in your SD card and just give yes install unofficial CrDroid. After installing the CrDroid zip file, we need to install the GApps file. So go to install zip, choose zip from external SD card and locate the GApps file that you have copied to your memory card. Give yes install GApps. The installation will begin and it will take a few seconds for installing the GApps. After installing the GApps, just reboot your system now. And for installing any custom ROM on your device, you should unlock your bootloader and you should be rooted. So guys, CrDroid is booting up on our Android One device. So the first boot up will take about 2 to 3 minutes. I will be back once the device is rebooted. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the initial boot up. So that's it guys. We are now running the unofficial CrDroid build 1 in our Canvas 7. So stay tuned guys. I'll be using this ROM for about 4 to 5 days and I'll be posting a review about this ROM. So like and subscribe my channel and also check out my other videos. Okay guys, stay tuned for more custom ROM reviews and installation guides. Bye.